going on, boys? First off, I want to start off this video by saying, read your DMs all the time, boys. On Instagram, it's right here if you guys want to DM me. I always try to get like good video ideas from you guys. Try to see what you guys want to see. I try to get back to you guys on there. Sometimes it's a little iffy, but I check it twice a day. You never know when Selena Gomez is gonna hit me up. Although her time is over because I'm engaged. Just kidding. Selena, you got the brand pass any day, honey. Make the right choice here, huh? I don't think you can threaten on YouTube. That wasn't a threat. It's a promise. Okay, stop. I'm joking. I'm joking. She got guards and stuff. Probably. You better hope. Okay, chill. Anyway, boys, what I've been seeing lately is a lot of you guys being like, yo, NameBran, we really miss these old jewelry videos of you being like, checking out the best jewelry there is. Or like you guys being like, yo, that one series you had where jewelry companies claim they have the best, or it's gonna pass a diamond tester even though it's fake. We test it, and generally I tell them to go fuck themselves because they're lying to your face. Boys, we're bringing it back. I've traveled across seas, boys, past couple of months to try to find you the best fake chain you can afford for like 150 bucks, I think it is. The best thing, like no jeweler's even gonna know it's fake unless they diamond test it. Y'all have no idea, boys. It's been a working project. You know what I mean? Working process? I don't know what that word is. I've traveled the seas of my nuts, boys. What was that? Right down the Seaman River, you know what I mean? Through the boreal forests of pubes. I think I found the piece. That was super weird. Back in action, we're back in the action, boys. Anyway, boys, traveling the seas, I didn't, but this did. I think it's from China, and here's the thing, man. It's from AliExpress, and guys, I think you're gonna dig it. I've only seen pictures, but the one thing that got me to purchase this is somebody actually sent me a picture of the same one that they bought via Instagram, and I'm like, yo, that's insane for the price. This might be the craziest piece. I'll have to see it in person that we've actually ever seen that's fake. I know y'all are trying to fake flex, bro, you know what I mean? I'm a firm believer of doing so if you want to. I try not to, but I'm not gonna lie. Sometimes I got a sick chain that I don't know the real version of, because I'm not that dumb with money, and I'm just like, yo, I'm gonna put it on, you know what I mean? So I'm here for the boys. Appreciate y'all for watching. If this is that sick, we're giving it away in this video if you guys hit 500 thumbs up within the day. Also, we got a quick ad, but please thumbs up and comment down below, and just hit me up on Instagram, tell me you did it. Quick ad. This video is brought to you by NameBranFam.com, boys. Me. I brought to you that website, and what we got on there is a sick mystery box, boys. I just want to go check out what's in it. There's a link in the description. It's only $24.99, boys, and one person that purchases one of the mystery box that helps out the channel so much is actually going to get either a PS5 or an Xbox Series X. I'm going to let you guys choose. The more boxes you buy, I guess, is the more entries you get. We also sell fake jewelry on there. It's free. All I ask you guys to do is pay shipping. Appreciate it. NameBranFam.com. Keep rocking it, bro. Guys, you've spent a lot of money on that website and it helps out a ton. Thank you. Alright, let's get into this hey boys, first off, it's from AliExpress, like I said, about 150 bucks. I bought it like 2 months ago. It takes forever to come in. One thing, boys, is the company didn't do me a solid. They never need to, you know what I mean? But I hit them up and I was like, yo, if you send this for free, I can promote you on my YouTube if it's dope, you know what I mean? And if I actually get the product, and people will buy. They came back with a real sassy remark being like, yeah, okay, buddy, you're gonna pay for this. But it was really broken up English, which I don't judge them for, but it was like, it made it hit a little harder, you know what I mean? They didn't even take time to shut down my whole business. I'm not sharing the link down below because of that. If this does turn out to be as good as I think it is, though, doing you guys a solid. I don't want to give this company business, but I will. If we get enough comments down below to post the link, I will do it, boys. But because they're so rude to me and kind of just a little suspect about it, I don't really owe them anything, bro, and now I feel like a dick for promoting these assholes. But who knows, man. Anyway, package engaged. Let's get in the biatch. And we're gonna diamond test the thing. It didn't say it was gonna pass. I don't think. I actually definitely didn't. But if it does, I mean, we got a sick title, don't we? Nice. Good cut. Not usually that good with scissors, you know what I mean? I'm a left-handed dude, they're always right, and it makes me throw them through the wall at school and get kicked out, and honestly, get suspended a few times. Alright, let's go, boys. I'm very excited. I'm also nervous, because I already have a title for this video, and I've hyped it up so much. I hope it looks as it should. Without further ado, oh yeah, we got, okay, it's a good sign. It's not crazy. I don't need to, like, react that way. It's a good sign when you got a dust bag, boys. A lot of times it comes in this stupid little plastic packaging, almost like, does that have marijuana in it? No. Almost like this thing, which I don't promote. I don't promote what I just said. This is my glue sticks. But anyway, it comes in like, not in Ziploc, but stupid bag. I mean, I don't like bags. They're like big bags for your big nuts. Alright, we're all gonna have big nuts once we own these. Let's go. Boys, alright, moment of truth. Without further ado, the best chain I think I have ever seen online for the price. You can get a ton of fake ones that are even moissanite that probably look a little bit better for like $500-600 bucks. This is a little different. This is a little, it hits like a in a good way. Damn! There's never a good way for a girl to hit you, you know what I mean? If you don't hit women, hitting's bad. I'm gonna eat my words a lot in this video, boys. God damn it! It comes clinked. This has really screwed up the whole reveal. Okay, sorry, it was a little bit clinked up, boys. This is nuts. I wasn't sure if the dude that sent me the picture of it, if he was trolling me or not. This looks exactly like what he sent, boys. We've actually had some, let's see if I can find some so we can compare. Everything's everywhere. We've had some chains that look like this. I wish I could compare it to the crappy ones. What a beauty, boys. Now, I always go with the style because I feel like that's the style you guys want. God, where is the other ones that I have? We have at least 50 of these. I just want to compare how dope this is. I haven't even looked at it that much yet, but for the price, man. Diamonds blinging everywhere. Boys, AliExpress, I'm back with showing you guys what you need to buy. I'm also going to be real back right away with calling out companies that are absolutely BSing you. I've called out Shop GLD sometimes. Not that they were BSing you, but their solid gold for cheap or whatever it was not cheap. It was a ripoff. We're coming back to all that. I think it's kind of fun. I lost my spunk with it a little bit because I was starting to get some emails from companies trying to like not get me to do that anymore, and I'm not really into lawsuits, but I think I'm safe. I'm just speaking my mind, boys. Beautiful, beautiful piece. We have not looked at the clasp yet. Oh yeah, this is a big regular clasp like this. A lot of people are doing that nowadays. I really do like that actually. And is that it's an opener clasp. This is a good one. I don't know. Other ones you just link in and it doesn't look real. You know what I mean? This one you just open it up, you close it. We gotta diamond test this bitch. Okay, well, you gotta link it the right way first, Brand, idiot. Boom. So a lot of companies are doing that now. I feel like they've realized that goes a long freaking way right there, but beautiful, beautiful chain. Boys, awesome. Awesome, awesome. I'll have the link there. I gotta find it. Just have a couple comments and post the damn link, Brand. Really get on me about that and even shout out on Instagram saying I gotta do it. I actually have to go in a sec to tell my grandpa I got engaged because I forgot to tell him, and it looks pretty bad, so I gotta go take him out for lunch. But anyway, boys, diamond tester engaged. It didn't say it was gonna pass. I'd love to bust these people's balls and really step on them a little bit if it did say that, because once again, they were kind of nerdy to me. I don't know what that means. Come on, baby. That means I'm hitting metal. Okay, if you don't be such a cuck, maybe this will work. Stupid diamond tester. I also think I broke the thing, so it doesn't work that well. It's just not working. Screw it. There's another one broken. We're gonna have to buy another one now. Boys, there's a chain. I mean, I wish I bought more from this company. I had a little bit of budget for the video. I guess back in 2 months ago. But beautiful piece. You guys let me know what you think. AliExpress, boys, it goes a long way. Just don't buy the $10 stuff. It'll always look awful. Let me see if I have a $10 piece here. This is the thing, bro. 10 bucks, you're gonna get something like that. They're really just glued on. They look a lot better on camera, but it really, really sucks. Stuff like this, it's nothing special, but for the price of like 150 bucks, I think after shipping Canadian, no, I think I'm thinking American. This is as good as it freaking gets, boys. This is craziness, and I really wish that they didn't piss me off so I'd put up the damn link right away.